In response to market developments and employee and skilled shortages in the Irish butchery and food retail sector, Mayo Sligo Leitrim Education and Training Board, a leading provider of further education and training in Ireland, in collaboration with industry representatives, Associated Craft Butchers of Ireland, have developed a new generation apprenticeship programme for the butchery sector. The programme, developed in recognition of the future skill needs of the industry, will educate butchers for the future and expand the skill set of new and existing butchers. This innovative programme, delivered over 2 years, integrates on-the-job training, where the apprentice will work alongside and learn from craft butchers in the workplace, and off-the-job classroom-based academic modules, developing a clear pathway for apprentice butchers to obtain a professional, recognised trade qualification. This employer-led programme is the first government-funded butchery apprenticeship in the Irish food industry. Butchery is one of the oldest crafts in the world, and it is here where traditional craft butchery meets innovation.
You can do anything now, really, do you know what I mean? Once you know the structures of your meat and how to cook them, you can develop any product out of it. We innovate a lot in the shop here. A lot of our apprentices innovate, a lot of our senior butchers innovate. And that's what we found with butchering now. Even some of the colour we have in the display and stuff like that, it's very exciting.
The programme aims to train aspiring craft butchers for the 21st century, securing and protecting the future of Irish butchery. The curriculum concentrates on the core industry skills such as practical meat cutting, manufacturing meat products, entrepreneurial skills, food safety and hygiene, customer service and marketing, all crucial in Ireland's food retail sector today. On successful completion of the programme, the apprentice will receive a Level 5 QQI certificate in craft butchery. While the programme is inclusive, a main objective is to attract both young men and women back into the meat and food industry.
I completed my Green Cert last year in farming, and I hope to become a qualified butcher. I find this course very interesting so far. There's a great balance between the classroom work side of things and practical work.
You get to mix with other young apprentices like myself. I hope that when I finish my apprenticeship that I get to travel abroad and work as a butcher abroad, and this course will give me the qualifications and education that I need to do so.
The off-the-job training takes place in Teagasc, Ashtown Food Research Centre, Dublin, with its state-of-the-art cooking, manufacturing and packaging facilities and fully functioning abattoir. This apprenticeship will provide industry with a sustainable stream of skilled, professionally qualified, long-term employees to take up career opportunities in the meat and food industry. With entrepreneurship encouraged throughout the programme, it is hoped that a number of graduates will go on to open their own butcher or fresh food retail shops. If you would like to become a craft butcher or would like to learn more, visit www.apprenticeships.ie or email apprenticeship@msletb.ie.